Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some important PYQs for D.Pharm and B.Pharm exam held by Srimata Shankardev University, Assam. Question number 1. First question. In case of Porifera, the spongocyl is lined with flagellated cell called ostia, oscula, conocyte, mesenchymal cell. The correct option is option C, conocyte. Question number 2. The body having meshwork of cell internal cavities lined with food filtering, flagellated cell, and indirect development are the characteristics of phylum. Pause the video and try to find out the correct answer. The options are Coelenterata, Porifera, Mollusca, and Protozoa. And the correct option is option number B, Porifera. Question number 3. Which one of the following statement about all the four spongilla, leash, dolphin, and penguin are correct? The options are penguin is homeothermic, while the remaining three are poikilothermic. Leash is freshwater form, while all other marine. Spongilla has a special collar shell called conocytes not found in the remaining three. All are bilateral symmetric. And the correct option is option number C. Spongilla has a special collar shell called conocyte not found in remaining three. Question number 4. Cycon belong to a group of animal which are best described as option number A, multicellular with a gastrovascular system, multicellular having tissue organization but no body cavity, unicellular or acellular, multicellular without any tissue organization. And the correct option is option number D, multicellular, multicellular without any tissue organization. Question number 5. The canal system is a characteristic feature of echinoderm, helminthes, coelentrates, and sponges. And the correct option is option number D, sponges. Question number 6. What is true about all sponges without exception? The options are they are all marine, they have flagellated collar shell, they have a mixed skeleton consisting of spicules and spongin fiber, they reduce only asexually by budding. And the correct option is option number B. They have flagellated collar shell. Question number 7. The simplest type of canal system in Porifera is option number A, Ascon type, option number B, Leucon type, option C, Cycon type, option D, radial type. And the correct option is option number A, Ascon type. Question number 8. Classification of Porifera is based on branching, spicules, reproduction, and symmetry. And the correct option is option B, spicules. Question 9. Which one of the following living organisms completely lacks of cell wall, and the options are cyanobacteria, option B sea ferns, Saccharomyces, option D blue-green algae, and the correct option is option B sea fan. Question number 10. Select the taxon mentioned that represent both marine and freshwater species. Option A echinoderms, option B Ctenophora, option C Cephalochordata, option D Cnidaria, and the correct option is option D Cnidaria. Question 11. In which animal a nerve cell is present but brain is absent? Option A sponge, option B earthworm, option C cockroach, option D hydra. And the correct option is option D hydra. In hydra, waste material of food, digestion and nitrogenous waste material are removed from option A mouth and mouth, option B body wall and body wall, option C mouth and body wall, option D mouth and tentacles. And the correct option is option option C mouth and body wall. Question number 13. Most appropriate term to describe life cycle of Obelia is neoteny, option A neoteny, option B metagenesis, option C metamorphosis, option D all of these. And the correct option is option B metagenesis. Question number 14. Point out a non-parasite. Option A tapeworm, option B mosquito, option C leaf, option D sea anemone. And the correct option is option D sea anemone. Question number 15. Special character of coelenterates is option A polymorphism, option D nematocytes, option C phloem cell, and option D tism, hermaphroditism. And the correct option is option B nematocyte. Question number 16. Root hair developed from the region of option A maceration region, option B elongation region, option C root cap, and option D meristematic activity. And the correct option is option A maturation region. Question number 17. Identify the incorrect statement. Sapwood is involved in the conduction of water and minerals from the root to leaves. Sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem and is lighter in color. Due to deposition of tannin, resin, oil, etc., hardwood is dark in color. Hardwood does not conduct water but gives mechanical support. And the correct option is option B. Sapwood is innermost secondary xylem and lighter in color. Question number 18. The root that originate from the base of the stem are option A primary roots, option B prop root, option C lateral root, option D fibrous root. And the correct option is option D fibrous root. Question number 19. Nematophores occurs in A carnivorous plant, B free floating hydrophytes, C halophytes, D submerged hydrophytes. And the correct option is C halophytes.
Question number 20. Plant which produce characteristic nematophores and so BB belong to mesophyte, halophyte, and spermophyte and hydrophyte. And the correct option is option B, halophytes. Roots play a significant role in absorption of water. Sunflower, pistia, pea, and wheat. And the correct option is option B, pistia. Question number 21. Roots of which plant contain an oxidizing agent? And the options are option A, carrot, option B, soybean, option C, mustard, option D, rice. And the correct option is option B, soybean. Question 23. The plant which bear cleansing roots is orchid, trapa, option C, screw pine, and option D, podostemon. And the correct option is option A, orchid. Question 24. Buttress roots are found in option E, sorghum, option B, banana, option D, terminalia, option D, pandanus. And the correct option is option number C, terminalia. Question 25. Blamen is found in root of stupine, B, aerial and terrestrial root of orchid, option C, leaves of ficus elastica, and option D, aerial roots of orchid. And the correct option is option C, leaves of ficus elastica. Question number 26. In Bougainvillea, thorns are modified of stipules, adventitious root, stem, and leaf. And the correct option is option C, stem. Question number 27. The stem modified into flat green organ performing the function of leaf are known as phyllo- phyloclade, option C, scales, and option D, cladodes. And the correct option is option D, phyloclade. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a stem modification? Thorns of citrus, tendrils of cucumber, flattened structure of opuntia, option D, picture of Nepenthes. And the correct option is option D, picture of Nepenthes. Question 29. An example of edible underground stem is option A, potato, option B, groundnut, option C, sweet potato, and option D, carrot. And the correct option is option A, potato. Question number 30. The eyes of the potato tuber are A, flower bud, shoot bud, axillary bud, option D, root bud. And the correct option is axillary bud. Question number 31. Vegetative propagation in mint occurs by. Question number 31. Vegetative propagation in mint occurs by A, runner, option B, offset, option C, rhizome, option D, sucker. And the correct option is option D, sucker. Question 32. Vegetative reproduction of agave occurs through option A, rhizome, option B, stolon, option C, bulbous, option D, sucker. And the correct option is option C, bulbous. Question 33. New banana plant developed from option A, rhizome, option B, sucker, option C, stolon, and option D, seed. And the correct option is option B, sucker. Question number 34. Large empty colorless cell of the adaxial epidermis along the vein of the grass leaves are option A, lenticel, option B, dot cell, option C, bundle cell, option D, Woollyform cell. And the correct option is option D, Woollyform cell. Question number 35, and this is the last question. Regeneration of damaged growing grass flowing grazing is largely due to A. Lateral meristem, B. Apical meristem, C. Intercalary meristem, and D. Secondary meristem. And the correct option is option C. Intercalary meristem.